Okay, good day. Ang topic, topic po natin today is theory of equations and continuation po ng algebra 1. So, ito yung problem number 1. Again, ito yung problem number 1. So, remainder. Ang sabi sa problem, the remainder when 2x raised to 4 minus kx minus 15x squared minus 3x minus 2 is divided by x minus 3 is 4. What is the value of k? So, paano ba siya isolve? Gamit si calculator, etong x minus 3 na to, equate natin to 0. So, therefore, x equals to 3. Yung 3 na yon isa-substitute dito. Okay, substitute natin yan dito. And equal yan sa 4. And isosolve natin si k. Now, paano ba siya i-type sa calculator? Eto. So, i-type natin sa calculator, i-copy lang natin to. But instead of using k, we will use a. Kasi wala namang k sa calculator. Okay, ito yung remainder equals to 4 equals to 4. And we will solve for k. Yung k natin yan po si a. So, press shift calc and then magtatanong siya ano yung value ng x. Again, yung value ng x mo is 3. Okay, 3. And then press equal. Pag press mo ng equal, sasagot si Calcio. Yan yung naka-display. Solve for a. So, again, press equal ka naman. Nag-agree ka sa kanya na ginasolve na to ang a. So, pag solve for a, so the answer here is 4. Oh, ayan. Ang dali-dali. So, the answer for problem number 1 is letter A. Next problem. Find the value of k for which x plus 4 is a factor of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x plus k equals 0. Again, you will still use the calculator. But in this problem, kasi sabi factor, therefore the remainder is 0. Again, the remainder is 0. So, eto, type sa calculator, solve natin agad si k. Again, walang k sa calculator. Instead of using k, use a. So, eto siya. Type na sa calculator. Copy lang. Then, shift calc. Again, magtatanong siya ano daw yung value ng x mo. Dito ka kukuha. Equate mo to 0. Your x is negative 4. So, lagay natin negative 4. Press equal. Ayan. Magtatanong si Calcio kung i-solve ba daw si A. And, mag-agree ka na isosolve si A. Pag press mo ng equal, lalabas na yung sagot. So, the answer here is letter B, 4. Okay? So, napakadali. So, yun lang. Tandaan lang kung ano yung process to solve this problem. So, the answer is letter B. Again, pag ibig sabihin factor, remainder po niyan is 0. Okay? So, next. Ito, the expression. The 3x4 plus x squared plus 7x plus 1 contains how many imaginary roots? Anong theorem gagamitin? Ang gagamitin natin dito by Descartes' rule of signs. Okay. Sa Descartes' rule of sign, paano natin malalaman kung ilan yung positive real roots and paano natin malaman kung ilan yung negative real roots? By the way, in this function, sa given na to, ilang roots meron? Kasi raised to 4, ito yung highest degree. So, meron tayong 4 na roots regardless if that is real or complex. Okay? Basta, meron tayong 4 na roots. So, to solve for the number of positive roots, sabi ni Descartes, count the number of variations in sign of f of x. So, let's say, your f of x, ito, yung given talaga. Yung variation of the sign, yung pagbabago ng sign. So, from here, may variation ba ng sign? Plus, 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 plus. So, no variation. So, it means 0 positive real roots. So, wala tayong positive real roots. Another pa, sabi ng rule of Descartes, count the number of variations in sign of f of negative x. Ang tanong, ano ba si f of negative x? Ang ibig sabihin lang po ng f of negative x, substitute ka ng negative x here, and negative x here. Okay? So, ayan siya. Substitute tayo. Take note, eto siya, negative x raised to 4, negative x raised to 2, that is even number, magiging positive pa rin po yan. Pero eto siya, change niya na po yung sign. So, ngayon, ika-count na natin yung variations ng sign. So, ito as is lang. Ito na minus 7x na plus 1. So, how to count? Isa, nag-change siya. Walang change if ever negative dito. Kaso, positive ito. So, dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, 2 variations. So, we have 2 variations. So, therefore, meron tayong 2 negative real roots. Again, real roots po. Real roots po yan. Real roots po yan. So, ibig sabihin, 0 plus 2, meron tayong 2 real roots. Kulang na lang ng dalawa. Okay? Kulang na lang ng dalawa. Again, to summarize, 0 positive real roots and 2 negative real roots. So, kung kulang, ano na yung naiiwan? Complex na lang or yung may imaginary. Okay? So, therefore, we have 2 imaginary roots. Okay? Yun lang. So, I hope naintindihan yung Descartes' rule of sign. Okay? Yan yung rule of sign ni Descartes. Ika-count lang natin yung variations in sign ni f of x at saka ni f of negative x. So, therefore, the answer for this problem is letter C. Okay, so yun lang. So, again, thank you very much and God bless.